Well, on screen, we've just had another one of our videos for the hotels that have submitted for Sustainability Videos competition. This awards will be coming up at lunchtime. This was from the Naihan, and it's good to see that hotels are taking time to actively promote the sustainability opportunities that are available to them and promoting them out further than just their own hotel. So good luck to everybody in that competition. We carry on with our exhibitor series now, where we introduce you to some of the exhibitors that have supported PHIST this year. It gives me great pleasure now to introduce Sam from Smarter Energy Solutions. Now, if you're a hotel or in the hotel industry and you are looking to save money, all right, we all like money, then Sam is going to explain some of the benefits in regards to energy supplies and promotion and tax incentives in regards to smarter energy solutions. So without any further ado, I'd like to welcome to the stage Sam from Smarter Energy Solutions. Yes, round of applause, please.
I got a big fan club here. Thank you. Hi, so my name is Sam. I'm the owner of Smarter Energy Solutions. We are a sister company of Island Technology, who has been in the business here in Phuket for over 24 years. So we can say that we are here to last. The main business of our company is solar energy. So I'm not going to bring you through the boring details of how the energy is created and how much money you can save. We all know that. Our company was established in 2018, 6 years ago, and I'm happy to tell you that today we have reached over 300 installations of solar in Phuket and throughout Thailand. So that's a big achievement. And how did we reach that? Is by committing to what we do. So basically when we install a solar roof at your house, we commit. We tell you how much money you're going to save in a year. And if we don't achieve that number at the end of the year, we're going to pay you back the difference and upgrade your system. So that's what we do. So we just don't sell you something that comes with promises. It's reality. You're going to get what you're going to sign for. This approach allowed us to get what we call an ESCO certification. ESCO is from the Ministry of Energy, so we are an ESCO certified company. This brings guarantee to you when we do business with us. In 2022, we started a subsidiary specialized in maintenance. So some of the solar owners have issue with their solar, and we are here to help them to repair the solar so you get something that works. But I'm here to talk to you about tax incentive. That was the main goal of the presentation. BOI is helping actually hotels and other industry to save money. How do we do that? So basically you have different conditions when you're a hotel owner, number of rooms, turnover, and investment costs that you've put in your company. We go through all that process with you. So depending on the size of your hotel, more than 100 rooms, less than 100 rooms, whether you are SME business or not, we go through this process, and once you get an approval from BOI, you get a tax credit, a tax incentive of 50% of your investment. So if you invest 10 million in solar energy, you get a tax credit of 5 million that you can use for the next 3 fiscal years of your business. So if you get approved today, you got until 2027 to deduct 50% of your investment from your company. So if you're interested in learning more about BOI, tax incentive, and more about solar, and get a quality installation, please come and visit us at the booth right at the alley. Thank you.